If you're looking for articles within a specific journal, you can start over here at Research Tools and head down to Journals. And this is where you could put in the journal title. So for example, if I were looking to find articles within the journal called Gender and Society, I could enter the title here. And now I could see where I can find full text for articles from that journal. So for example, I would like to look here because I want full text all the way up to the latest issue. And I could then look at the current issue here, or I can search just within this journal, within Gender and Society. So for example, if I were doing research on non-binary people, I could do a search for non-binary, and then I will find articles related to that term within this journal. And that is how you can find articles within a specific journal instead of using a database.